What are we gonna do now? Why is this happening to us?
I can't contact Mom. I've tried, but the signal it keeps on being disrupted and I just...
How are we gonna find a new house?
I don't know, but we need to find a new place to live. Somewhere that's safe and secure.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, anak.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you and your sister?
We're fine. I just got home from school. She's preparing lunch downstairs.
Chanel! Lunch is ready! Chanel!
I gotta go. I gotta eat lunch. Bye. Ooh, what for lunch? Pizza!
I really thought you weren't going to come downstairs.
I was talking to Mom.
Why didn't you call me then?
Because you were preparing lunch.
Still though, it's Mom. Can you feel that?
Earthquake! Duck, cover and hold! Oh wait, my pizza!
No, wait, Chanel! Your priorities! Hopeless? You should not be.
Introducing Sakura Vista, not just Sakura or safe but also Vista or a beautiful place to live in. We assure you that our location is safe and sound. It is a pollution-free area. To create not just a safe but also healthy environment. It spans 500 acres with open fields. Stroll along spacious streets and take in the fresh air. We have plenty of amenities for you and your family to enjoy. We'll never be out of trend by making use of advanced technology. Now is the time to meet your exact needs and wants to save time, effort, and lives. Come and make this your home. Sakura Vista, secure for sure.